Byrider, we want you set up for success. If you have had any past credit issues, low damaged, or no credit at all, no worries. We got you here at Byrider. Our credit building program helps you get into a newer, nicer vehicle and gets you back on track to rebuilding your credit. You get the best of both worlds. We want our customers to be successful making their payments because we do report positively to all three major credit bureaus. We have a great selection of makes and models waiting for you, ready to drive off our lot. And our unmatched optional 4-year, 48,000 mile service contract comes with every single vehicle on our lot, and it's got your back. Covering the major moving parts of your vehicle, the engine, transmission, drivetrain, and electrical, with low-cost service repairs. Made it very easy for all our customers to start the application process right from your phone, right from your computer, right from the comfort of your own home. And you were just a few clicks, a phone call away from getting yourself in a newer, nicer vehicle. So why wait? Come on down to Byrider and let us help you.